So what is programming? A programming language is a formal language comprising a set of strings that produce various kinds of machine code output. Programming languages are one kind of computer language and are used in computer programming to implement algorithms. Most programming languages consist of instructions for computers. What are the four types of programming languages? Procedural programming language, there's functional programming language, there's a scripting programming language, and there's logic programming language. Now, all five of these programming languages are great, and you should love them. Now, what is programming used for? It's used for AI, machine learning, data science, app development, and web development. These are the main applications for programming, and they are all amazing and they are all great. And so now we can move on. What are all the programming languages? In total, there are 700 programming languages. There's 700 programming languages to learn. You don't have to learn all of them. You can just learn the main ones. There's a lot of main ones that are great, and we will be covering some of the better ones soon enough. And now we can move on. So what are the best programming languages that you may be asking? Java is one of the most popular programming, no surprise. SQL, there's JavaScript, and there is C++, Python. These are the main best ones according to statistics and things like that. And now we can move on. What is an IDE? Now an IDE is an integrated development environment. An IDE, an integrated development environment, is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. An IDE normally consists of at least one code editor, built automation tools, and a debugger. And what programming languages should you learn? You should learn any programming language, but in my opinion, the best to start learning coding is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. JavaScript is a great way to get into coding. It's a great start. You should learn it. It helps you learning how to build websites and simple things like that. And what is my favorite programming languages? So my favorite programming language is Python. Python has many applications: data science, machine learning, web development, AI, and more. But yeah, it has a lot of applications. It's actually in every sort of field. Every programming language has its main thing, but Python can go into basically everything almost. What is the newest programming language? The newest programming language is a language called Golang. Golang is made by Google themselves, and it is actually a really great programming language. It has a lot of great applications and things like that, and it's just a really great language to learn. And I think that everyone should try to learn that language as well. So what are my favorite programming languages? Now, my favorite programming languages are JavaScript, Python, Golang, Kotlin, and JavaScript, basically. So those are my favorite programming languages, personally. And I want to tell you guys, keep on learning. You can learn to summarize, basically, learn any programming language. It doesn't matter. Make sure to keep on coding. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and keep on coding. And I hope you all have a great day.